Attorney Davis Younts here. I wanted to take a couple of minutes and talk about 3 critical things every service member or veteran should know before applying for a discharge upgrade or a records correction. As a recently retired Air Force Lieutenant Colonel and former JAG, I recognize the importance of accurate military records. I also recognize how important it is for veterans to be properly credited for service, including having an appropriate service characterization. So the first thing you should know is this: if you are going to apply for a records correction or a discharge upgrade, the burden of proof is on you as the applicant. The board will not grant relief unless you provide sufficient evidence to overcome a legal standard they call the presumption of administrative regularity. If you do not provide sufficient evidence, they will deny your application. The second thing you should know is that the boards are only permitted to grant an upgrade in very narrow sets of circumstances. Those include what they call propriety and equity. When the board says propriety, what they mean is legal or procedural errors. In other words, you must demonstrate or prove there was a legal or procedural error in your case. When the board references equity, they're talking about a broader category of things that include fundamental notions of fairness and justice. Here we see concepts like equal treatment or discrimination that can come into play, and we have had clients who were discriminated against or treated unfairly and unequally who were later granted relief. The final thing you should know, and this applies particularly to veterans, is this: it is never too late to apply. The board can grant relief to veterans in the form of a discharge upgrade on the basis of clemency. That means if your post-service civilian record demonstrates that you have been rehabilitated, you may have a chance to receive an upgrade from the board. Thanks for checking out our video. Those 3 critical things are important if you're going to apply for a records correction or an upgrade. This is a difficult process. It's not easy. You're dealing with the bureaucracy and with agencies that receive thousands and thousands of requests every year. If you'd like to learn more about the services we provide and what it would be like to have our team support you in this effort, please feel free to reach out to us. Take care. God bless.